In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add work hours in Jira, a tool that is incredibly valuable for managing projects and tracking time efficiently. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can log work time with ease and accuracy. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Jira dashboard. To do this, simply go to your work in Jira. This is where you'll begin your journey into logging those crucial hours you've spent working on various projects. Your dashboard is the hub of all your activities, so it's important to become familiar with navigating it. Once you're in, the next step is to select the project you're working on. Projects in Jira are where all the tasks, or issues as they're called, are housed. Selecting the right project is crucial because it ensures you're logging hours against the correct work stream, thus keeping your project management tidy and efficient. After selecting your project, you'll want to click on Issues. Issues are individual tasks or units of work within a project. This could range from developing a new feature, fixing a bug, or any other type of task your project requires. By selecting issues, you're narrowing down your focus to the specific tasks you need to log hours against. Next, you're going to select the issue you've been working on. This step is where the precision comes into play. By selecting the precise issue, you ensure that your work hours are logged correctly, making it easier for your team to track progress and for you to get credit for your hard work. After selecting the issue, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More option. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, one of which is Log Work. This option is your gateway to inputting the hours you've dedicated to this particular task. Once you've clicked on Log Work, a dialog box will appear. This is where you'll input the details of your work session. You'll start by entering the time spent. This field is where you indicate how many hours and minutes you've devoted to the issue. Be as accurate as possible, whether it's 15 minutes or 5 hours. Every minute counts towards the completion of the project. Then there's the time remaining field. This is especially useful for agile project management as it helps in estimating how much work is left on a specific task. If you can, provide your best estimate. This doesn't just help with project planning, it also gives your team insight into potential roadblocks or adjustments that might need to be made. Finally, the last step in this process is to click Save. This might seem like a small step, but it's probably the most important. Clicking Save ensures that all your hard work, pun intended, is recorded and accounted for. The time you log is now part of the project's official record, helping your team stay informed and aligned on project progress. And there you have it. You've successfully logged your work hours in Jira. This process, while straightforward, plays a critical role in project management and teamwork. It allows for better resource planning, helps in identifying potential delays early, and ensures everyone on the team has visibility into the effort being put into tasks. A couple of tips to remember: always double check which issue you're logging time against to avoid any mix-ups, and try to log your hours regularly. This not only helps in keeping your records up to date, but also minimizes the chance of forgetting to log hours altogether. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to add work hours in Jira. Your ability to effectively track time is crucial to the success of your projects, and mastering this skill will make you an invaluable member of your team. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use Jira, the more efficient you'll become at logging work and managing your tasks. Happy logging!